Facha me say me video rekati. Otia audio na pia bonten na wo hwe ensem apia free mu ba ya. Na me bisa me ho say e ba ne sei. Ana wo hwe din na apia free sa audio sunu mu no a. Are very great names. Apia free sa audio sunu mu. Enkwala na di asofo. Enkwala na di asofo achi no. Esa asofo mu di pia sa audio sunu mu nya no. Enkwala mo hwe mo yi. How come say Okomfo protected the kingdom of God? In a way, say what you and be a pia free. Na na nka da anu ba ye no a. Na ayensema so powerful to the stand they say. Nipa bi o na adwese wo sori atia Ghana asofo. Wa family si bia enipa betima koma no atum. Not to tarnish any name. I am man of God. Fantastic job. So uti audio sunu mu nsensem ba ko mienu miensa no a mante konfo bia din e wo audio num mante konfo bia din e wo audio na yeden epie enum edi amete ye asofo nko a e bi asofo no bi won mo di ba pie mu no a e bi asofo ko oni mo hwe kra e bi na obi na di ni din akwakọ kan nsem amenne apie free na agrada no Timesre sen kola na ya mudi di asofo achi no. Monya very careful. Na se mo kan nsem bia monwini se moni mpanifo anenam. Enti mo kan nsem bia monya very careful. Sa audio we say ya pia bonte eye nei. Eye audio a edi na grada asem amana kese. Ko sa audio we say enya audio a na yesen ke pia bonte. Eye audio a enya se ke pia bonte because ensem bia wo mu no a vindicate to say a clear na grada in a way. So I said nipa bi din boni, e nipa bi dininya, wa ye nipa bi papa, ama nipa bi de boni atua neka. And she was talking out of pains. Now I was so glad say meet your audio no. My hu ba bia na grada. Just an insem mo ka ken my hu ba bia just what you say. I said she was talking out of pains. Say some na ekoso no. Say I no kra say anya no kra. De e pa abonti a me tie no tie mu nsem yi a. Honestly, Ghana sofo nyina nkwala na di okumachini ya mo nhwe nkwala ni ye akra. But it seems say ase omu yusu mudin. Ama mudin ya perform in a way. Sa audio we say anya audio na esenka pia bonten. A pia bonten ma utie audio na in a way egu asofo no animu ase. And some na pia mo no nyansam a eya nsam na ese sa asem we say pia bonten. This audio should have been a coded audio. Asofo ne akonfo na enkom asofo ne konfo ana utietie nsam na pia film na one way or the other it looks like say as a expose eniema bia kan nsam fata senke pia bonten. Me pesa me say me dig so much into the audio, me dig so much into the audio. I don't think that it's gonna speak well of some people. I don't want to go there. Audio we say, ama nana grada, and somewhere ba na nseni ni ama niema baba ye. A clear niema bebre bia mama me na ma say, in a way. Oh my goodness. My goodness. We as one. Papa ye ya. Enti so ya papa mo obi na se nipa na mfa papa ntua oka na so the money na etua oka a very painful pa. Utie na grada ansem na wo kan e wo audio sunu mu a very sad. Asa audio we say nipa o record ye no wa nwe ankwachiri audio we say nya audio a ese nkepia bonten. De nam na so ma sa audio we kodi blogger bia ansem were disappointed the name that appeared in the audio. Highly very, very bad. I am very bad. Man take comfort back who credit. Man take comfort back who credit. Say and some of the podium ne no credit. And you be an grada a programmer. I am no credit say a software coachino. Second way can say shaha. And some of the PM no a dibin at and I no crassa and say ebu and midi can say. A software board man, some of the PM ebu okra na ubekom na sa asofo no kra bi kra na onya we se ye ni die do that level enkwara na di asofo achi no se de se enkwara ne ha asofo no me hu bi da wa ko di se enkomo we sei abranti a record yi I don't know say Andy na record ya Andy ni na agrada kan Andy na record voice no ana Andy toma obi voice no erane 4 people nsem Andy na record ye ana Andy toma obi ana obi ne so toma obi ana sa obi ne so ye den etoma obi ana ne sa voice we den epia bonte am no me nyina den yenya bia yetie very sad as far as Christianity is concerned. This voice shouldn't have come out. This voice shouldn't have come out. Voice will say I'm vindicating and agrada in a way. If you will agree with me, this voice has vindicated Nana Grada in a way. I say, Ama and Sembi a pia, Menumia Runina Yantie. I suppose you Sembia Menumia Runina Day, Yantie. Anna a diminish the name of Christians in a way. Mante comfort back who could di ewo. Conversation no. Of course, mante comfort back who could di. What is going on? Now say I no crese. Asofo no nkwada ani bi no. Ani asofo no abia na the information man na grad 24/7 na. Why should it be so? Asofo me busem asem o. Asofo nkwada me busem asem. Eba ne say na comfort watimeti asofo nsem bebre sa. A very disgrace and very shameful to the Christian community. Sa comfort timeti a Christopher nsem bebre sa eti to the hardcore. A very shameful. Some voice when your voice yes come pia bonten. A very disgrace to the Christian community. Very bad. Utie the way na grada kasana. She sounds so confident in the way say enyama echaguo ni nsam ekoba nyina no. It's like say why comfort but sofo nsam nyina egu ni nsam. Why should it be so? Why comfort but sofo nsam nyina dey egu ni nsam. Why should it be so? Very painful, very bad. Ebia on permasem o timing. You might not get me right. On permasem o timing. You might not get me right. But I'm telling you the gospel fact. At a wrong time and a wrong audio at this crucial time. As an audio no, I expose you on one in a way. Audio na expose you on one kasa no in a way. Why I say comfortability as of one sem, whether true or false. Why should it be so? Why would the ATM catch you say Nana grada no ni great na why no? As of one nkwada ni bi no mo twom ho hia no. They are digging their own grave. Audio way ayo audio asin ke pia bonten. Audio we say enye audio esen ke pia bonti we say no ya tremu bibia ya nya boa kwase o nya kwase ade sa mama ngege nkras ne mani bi no anything obi a wudi ngege chi wan ha be the rest of your life come to point back ma o kai pe eso samba life we say man kraman every day wa my life and honto no enche me de ho ahin so sha ase be be say mo tedie ma bi ase na mu hunu ne ma bi say we nyame nipa na o check ni ma bi na se utie audio yi ba bontin a na utie nsam apie free audio yi mu a just be honest to yourself. Call a spade a spade. Where should say audio yi ba bontin aboa amwa and favor Christian enkwala na atwa mu ho ahia no monya very careful with them. Na mo hunu say enkwala ne moa mo enkwala ne help mo in any way. Enkwala ni gumu animu ase. Because enkwala ni convey the correct message out there. Omokwa e wodo omka ha. Ana omokwa e woni omsan den e kan ha me say. E basa all the time na create problem. Na create problem. Just listen to the audio well. Nyambotra na to boase. na tie audio ni ye pa. I am very disgraced. So me kasa me digest this audio na kasa me bother baako me bo na makasa enye me wie no enipa bebre ebi do amsa begu omuti kwansam apiepie audio ni mu no aya nsam a ada declare me ehunu niam e koso na na agrada as far as na agrada e concern no am ehu babi a niam e koso ene nsam e ko ye baaye babi e free baaye enipa utieti audio no na say oh God of Israel. Hey! Nipa enamene so e man sa audio we say bia bonten wa more Christian community. I'm telling you the gospel fact. That person has cleared an agrada in a very fantastic way. Audio we say enya matured audio that needs to be out there at this time. Enya matured audio at all. Me na down. Enya matured audio at all. Very bad audio. I may think say, why should this audio be out? And then some people a popping up from the mouth from the tongue of Nana Grada. Some more you be and come by man say bia. What the be good Nana Grada anymore see then you can say that content never come taking it off. Nan come munya be and come by look say and Nana Grada when you bet rather no audio se pia bonte or confua open means ya asofo ye go gbanimu ase enipa sorry agina omugu asofo animu ase wetima finding means ya obetime dey asate om down in order not to spoil the name of men of God in Ghana. Now sa punches when say nyina are remaining in the audio. I'm not clear na grada no. What's a smart in a way. Audio na me baba manya smart. Kasa audio we say no. Kamoya na say kamoya very smart in a way say. Si apasi agu ma me na nimu ase a. Ma me ne nsem bia waka audio no mu no. Aye nsem a waka de bo asofo. Enti si apasi agu ma me na nimu ase dia. Let's take off this part of the audio. Let's take off this portion of the audio. But you got it there. E pia bontiama e wi ase man san nyina hu say konfo ne do edo nyamesom ne broso eti akom na wo kom no. Now konfo be na ko be na just protect the kingdom of God. Konfo be apart from Nana Grada. Konfo be na obeka say or protected the kingdom of God. As of one in ebi said it, still she's trying to protect them in a way. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And so they just imagine such a person. Why do you have to? You don't even have to hate her. Asamba kopa metin audio no. A decline any bad utterances about audio no. For the fact is that na grada timi pie na no ka say abrantia bia wo gu asofo animu ase. Me make means be say meka na no atum sade be ya onwu asofo animu ase na me kan no so watie me ne na kasa ama watie. Enti on sorry so be gu asofo animu ase. O take one or two things so ampa. It has worked. It has worked. Enti nipa o ti say ya wa bo nyamesom in a way konfo enya sofo fight ama Christian kingdom. Konfo Ghana sofo fan no omo kosa. Eba ni se abaka se bia sofo ebi do twa kai e de be do no modomo. Obi a no nya wade se sofo obi a do wo wi ase abai me ka no kra kire wo. Da asem beto na be say yes. Sa sofo ebi ekotoku sa mobe. Ya kwa tifi kwa huru nsuo. Ni asamba na afo ni asamba bebisa. Sa kotoku sa mo ba sofo ni bi no. Usia bia you just have to be very careful. That is what I can tell you. You just have to be very careful. Kotoku Samobe, men of God. Stay away from them. Say comfort me Jina in a way to protect the kingdom of God. What else? What else? Say comfort me Jina such a way to protect the kingdom of God. What else? I don't think I see a time comfort. Catch me. You don't have to. Just say, I'm amazed. I saw me palm, tea and 7 1. A peer free audio numuna. Hi. Talo bompire kind of gradawati. The heart is very pure for just say, oh, checking your manner. ne heart no I too pure for the ministry. And I can't wait the day I met to say sin and grada afa Bible. I can't wait for that day. Sa audio we say your audio me pan na me sabe so audio bi ati say. Ana me tie audio na e bia me tan agrada. Anka who is talking? Nipa na okasa, what is the rapport between one na agrada no? The communication. Sa nipa na one na agrada kasa na e dia be nsam no wo ka fa sofo ho. E dia be nsam no wo ka no pa wi ani anwumere e fa sofo ho. Aya no kre. Ana obodi tim no wo ka nsam. Ana he's telling the gospel truth. And some be or fa sofo bi ho no. When you want ye, and that's one or conjure staffs just to make it a story for people to believe. We are no cry back up. Now I no cry sabe ya nipa beje no cry di ya na edin sometimes. Anything na say oh we are na see nipa time obi too much na. No wa check say di nipa di beti na time no. But just look at someone like Jamanfo baba we emame ngege ofefe ne twetire asofo ne meme. Just look at such a person, such a stupid lady like that. Na wonam wiase na odidi wi ano de na no twitwiri fom. Such a person what is your body di antim say e jimi nti ne de ye boni din. Obi like say na na ho tan. Aba mu atantan a say o jimi akre. A say e say maslow na akra ma no. Person o simu ankasa. Concert boy no, small boy no. Oshe enipa bi say na o check ni ma bi o say they are too low to the stand say o enipa bi a o pe wasumdua. A man these people and get it close to you. It's a fact. Take hatred out of it. I'm telling you the gospel fact. Take hatred out of it. Now take your audio ye pia bontin ba ya. Busa won say e de be ntina sofo so woni konfo okokra a Christopher ani age. Nanka enyo ma reho say kasundwe beba sofo ne konfo ntem. We Christiani adadwene ho. Sa ade na sofo ani beje. Say bia ne nyonko sofo ene konfo okon e de be ntina be ma sofo ani age. Cause konfo ne was sumu already. I was see a chene ba han mu e de be ntina ne ne kon. Ni emfa odonhia no Paul ye bi. Woni a konfo ko bom ko ton sa didi ye. Wono mo nyina san gro ya se wo kombi. Ofi ono a convert a lot of a konfo no. Amama ba enyamsomfo. Asofo e wo Ghana adan. Yensua Paul ho nsem ona. Entidie be enti na bia be wo se wonua sofo ene konfo anyantokwa. Na wo mpa asomdue se asomdue ba sofo ne konfo ntem na ba asomdue na bia wototo atu ogum. Ewiase nipa e nipa. Abufu ho. There is nothing wrong say bia sofo ne konfo benya bufuo. But wo a wo gina kire say we are Christian, say we are sofo. E dia ba de na wo be ye e dia asomdue be ba konfo ne sofo ntem. That is my question. That is my question. Till this one checking you maybe here. When you know who sworn, then you may be a day, a beat you. When you know, so then you may be a beat you. Shall you hear Pia Bontia, a man for account someone, or be a bobby out here or your moon someone. To Boise, Netia and someone and I grad that kind of Bakumi and Numian son. Put hatred aside. Netia and someone and I grad that kind of sa or dunum, and it the way and the feeling. Just tension or the casa ni pains are not the casa. Netia and some the peer free and no pine. Not ten a srania bassa. A toda. I was sent to Quaba and any party yesterday. Na Santo Qua CSA or Bia we utiemie. Fascia dear. Fascia dear, and the check in maybe not a tennis srania bassa or down paswa. Now they're fudging. What was that? Any man a chrono? Now tie audio we say munsemo a. Hi, I have very serious audio. I have very serious audio. Dia nam so ma sa audio we say about am so man tie audio na nkwachiri. Yankoku na agrada. Enti amfa audio we say ma metato. Hey, Andy, so na record sa audio we say ya. Andy, I mean, yes, was a wow, wow. wa dabi menya so aboa ho wa amoa ho ankasa audio we say no na wo ni di come o record cry den na when na record we automa no nipa auto voice na man no wa advice we ye ana kodi baby ana san kodi baby ana san kodi baby krachi that man I don't want to go there. Ebiana, you were forced to do that. Huh? Baby, I don't know. Obi obana just wo gine we chia pian. You're very careful. Now one for life for anto chacha e Ghana. E mo obi e me pian da. Now one for life anto chacha e Ghana. Well here obe push ya no what wa wanu mu nsem bia wo ka ade fa nipa bi ho. Ade fa sofo bi ho. Aya bi kura okura wonim. Na pia bonte na the problem kese na dia brew obeje obabia wutime because e yasemu a emu odu e pia bonte a utira anye yi a obedum aduro. You're very careful babia e bia wapem ne makwa koduro no mane nso ha ye pekwan e befa so a asomdue be den e beba emfa ho nkonkoto amaniem ema e bia wadim na so bia wadum asem bia piama wa ha kwa ya ma bed wa ha ya ma bed everybody nyankopon hi sa audio we say enye audio na e wo say pia bonten audio we enye audio na sin ke pia bonten that because em say audio no omo won saka omo antie ni yi na wanya audio na a very important names like this appear PM as far as important names no any comfort tio very important names like this appear in a line with a comfort na allow such an audio na pia bonten. What are you doing to the Christian community? Disgrace, big disgrace. Everybody in the Christian community, no big disgrace. I thought that it's only a fool who doesn't know how to choose his battle. Audio like this shouldn't be out. A good Christian community anymore. Say you might think say be a who good and glad anymore in a way, but no, you failed. This audio should have been kept coded. Obetime dia mama eni pom din piem say bia omuntie bi. No mutie na bi omo hwe na bia omo yoka omo yo kwansem we piem we nya sem a we nya big deal case we say case we say case bia audio ensem pie ya say adofo ato omo ho ase a kombetima solve the back door for peace to reign. No. Audio when your audio na sen ke pia bonten ama edin pie na me am sheme ana madi kan say sofo bu okura be konkura na wonim mpokura say ya de ni din bog gig e baby na mama edin akese enti de audio bi apie na edin akese enti de apie piem na ma nwene ho na mama audio esi ababonten mo anamo so a man say audio we ba bonten no obia 6 lashes of Cain ase mi gwam achipa wa namo so e man sa audio we say pia bontin pia ese mi gwam achi mu gu Christian kingdom na nimu ase ama mo de comfort nya ntokwa na sa audio we say obi a record audio we say busa ho say nipa na record audio ni ba de be nti ana bia onya abufuo record ma me so de brew okodan ka de be ka na okodan my so a meka kama meka nse bia me mpese me dey meka ti mesre me papa no masofo ya monya very careful with nkwara na atwa mo ho hia no ya ma mo trust o bebre sa ebi wo kwa amada na nkwara ne de mumudin e bogek no mo de se mudin na mudin akopia nti munya odo bi se ya na nka mapekwan befa so mo benya somdue ma wonya ma anye se bia mo ba keep audio no coded e dey create problem no emwa audio we se pia bonten anye fe se asofo akesefo din be pie audio bi ati se mu which one anya se ebia ne Duncan Williams anya se ebia ye ne Mensa Otabel anya se we just mention big names ni bi anya se ebia ye ne Bishop Charles Palmer Bako. And yes, Abia, just name the big names. Na yani konfo. Anya konfo be mo konfo ba. Yani ba na yani konfo ba. Ana nya ntokwa sei. Na sa konfo ba na so pe means bia Christian kingdom benya peace. Awa sa audio kro no amu o. Enti ya de be tikura na nka say ya sofo a e be tikura na ya seke fight such a person cause or fight man in a way. Enti ya de mum ye nyai no. Ya mpe kwa bia be fa so ye betimi aben no. A obetimi adɔ nyamesom ne ye kon betimi adɔ no ne ye nyina besom nyame baako e de beti ne ye se fight no na ye pia ne kro na otena ne bosom nsem e de ba ne ye be ya ye ho be na kono as far as Christianity are concerned, not this way. Audio we say has vindicated Nana Agradaa in a very fantastic way, and I don't think say sabe nipa nam no so man say audio we say pia bonten. I don't think say nipa no or think it twice. And I don't think say this audio would have been out. Obiet me am from so next time when your audio be ya monye ho kakra some say impact no wan so na be kro. When your audio be say na say opa so de ba so be just think about the impact, the implication. E be ko nipa e bia ni be people. Just think about the implication and find a way to solve problems. O kodum jaw se me din so she na kodum ja, how can you quench the fire? It cannot work. Get a cold water to quench fire. Just say I said Nana Agradaa nipa na Nana Agradaa na down for no. Omo afa means be asan e praise in a way. Konfo betu tie nsem okeka kan na. She's more than a prophet, a prophetess. Nsem okeka kan audio no mu a. Cause she's trying to protect the kingdom of God. Okay, no wonder ni kunu yourself for. Okay, I've understand it that way. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Or soft heart for the Christian kingdom. Or a friend pekwe befaswa, ye benya sumdue. Awe ye ho bredi de nyina. Enkrofo entokwa ba na mo de pom adua ni di. Mo ignore ma sofo. Enkwara na atwa mo ho ahia no. So wo na kwada bi a ompe wasumdue. Na da bi ope problem around you. Think about it before it's too late. That means sure the name still remains the unpredictable Amancrado. Great Nana Agradaa for life. Mesra Nyankopon boss ro ba asase say onfa sumdue mu odene enwura Nana Agradaa ne obia ohuni se oye ne tamfo bia entem maame ne kita very clean heart but nipa nse da huni ye entime so obi tan no a ense da nya menwanwa but when the person get to know her I know definitely say e betene enhira nka Nyankopon boss ro ba asase enase enkan Pep Donko enase enkan BJ enase enkan Prince enase enkan nipa bia o dosronko edema Nana Agradaa enase enkan Peter Anochi enase enkan nipa bia o pepa edema Nana Agradaa nipa bia o mpe Nana Agradaa asem minim se bre ne be so be peda asem sabe si anu obi ni somba akumu enchese yentan no okwan ba ne be fa so e betima convince no. I like some strong spirit to be our Muslim for whom I like that thing. Some Muslim ni pese obaba sommanwa or doson kuni address on ko bayama wono o tenta so to no so omuwa opo no omuwa ten se oba make sure say woni ne be som esom baako. That is one thing I like about the Muslims. I will say a time will come Christians will find this way so they be able to improve the Christian community no. Me hwe ne bia ko se na me hwe entokwa ekoso no pa wi ni ne say ya na Amancrado I get baffled. Masre se bre bi bedu sa ne ma we se nyina be den e betwa na Ghana e friend say Christian country no e betima enlighten ho yen so kan yan fan shakoro ase ye disisoro se ne be betimi ahyenan amane wo twam bi a ohun sum no odu hor ma se han ne betimi atono so. They said yes a Christian community it looks like say ya so kan ya be ya shakodo ase. Why obanyansafo ebu ne be enka na sem. The name still remains the unpredictable Amancrado. Macrao, great Nana Agradaa for life.